He's enjoying his tickles so much. He's fallen asleep, and you can even hear him snore.